Hello, Internet friends. This is Tim Schrock at Design Build Solutions, bringing you today's Chief Architect. I call it Tech Tip Tuesday videos, but I'm recording on Wednesday, so here we go. Tech Tip Tuesday on a Wednesday. I was working on a macro-based text lot calculation program here, or macro, and I tried to add in this calculated hardscape coverage at 60% total here, and I kept knocking my head as to why it wasn't calculating the numbers here for my total. I checked all of the names of the variables that I did here. I used the $ for global variables. Calculated equals hardscapes minus rear patio times 0.06 plus add the rear patio back in. I was like, okay, so what if I just like let's remove all of this stuff and just say hardscapes. That's not even working. Okay, so let's undo that. It hit me. What's going on? To put a macro into your text box, we have to do this % sign. The macro resides between the percents here. Okay. What I did was I put this 60%. So Chief is reading this macro between this % and this % right here. And that works just fine, right? I could put a % whatever I want to happen here. And move this out of the way. And notice between the percents, it just puts that there, right? I'm going to undo that. So how do we deal with this % situation going on here? I want the 60% to show, and I want this to calculate. So remember how I put whatever I wanted to happen here between two percents? Like that. I'm going to put 2% here with a % in the middle. So that calculates the macro and returns just the character a %. So ultimately, I'm just putting 3% right there. And now this one runs as that, and this one can now run as that. Click OK, and there's my number. If you ever run into macros and you can't figure out why it's not doing that, look back and think maybe you put a % there in there, and that's what's stopping the macro from actually calculating. This is a quick one today. I hope it's helpful. As always, click like and subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comments. Have you tried macros? Do you have any suggestions for these macros to make them run a little bit cleaner, faster, better? Anyway, I'm open to ideas. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.